Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can add gallery in Wing Studio. So first up, adding a gallery, basically it's a new content, so we're going to add a section right from here. Now as you can see, we have the new section. Here you can also customize this one. For example, if you want to change the color or the page color right here, just select on this one. You can basically go right here and then change the color that you want. So for example, color white or like this. So in this case, I'm going to just select this black color. Now to add a gallery, just click on the plus icon at the top left hand corner of your screen. And then here, just need to select on this gallery. So here, as you can see, we have now adding the Wings Pro gallery on your website. So here it goes. As you can see, we have 12 pictures. Now to customize the images, just basically select off the picture here. For example, this one. And then what we can do here is basically click on Manage Media. Once you click on Manage Media, as you can see, you can organize your gallery using those images. You can just basically drag any of the image and then replace it to another one. So you can customize it. You can customize the position of the images. Right, so just basically drag and drop right down over here. Now, if you want to, basically, you can click on the image and then you will find the three dots. Here you can edit image, adjust the quality of the image, or if you want to replace the image and remove this one. Now, for example, you want to change the image, just click on replace image and it will open up the media from Wings. And then from here, you can basically select free images, or you can go to Shutterstock or here on Unsplash. So you can get some free images here. Or you can go to AI Image Creator. So basically, you can generate your own image using an AI. Or you can upload media from your computer. Just upload that image. So in this case, I'm going to media from Wings. Then you can choose any of the image. Or you can simply go to the search box at the top and type here any type of image that you want. For example, this one here, like technology. And then once done, as you can see, we have the results right here. Now we can now basically select any image. For example, I'm going to select this one here. Then click on upgrade at the bottom right. So here, as you can see, we have just added the image. Now to customize it, just click on the three dots and then click on the edit image. So from here, we have several options or settings that you can do to customize the image with this photo studio. For example, you can crop and resize. Just drag on the corner and resize the image. Or if you don't want, just click on undo to erase the previous action. Now here you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the highlights or shadows on the image. Or here you can go to filters. You can use some of the pre-filters here. And then here you can go to object eraser. For example, you don't want this image, just basically select the image here and remove from the original photo. Now here, as you can see, we have also other settings like the AI image editor. So basically describe your image here and then it will generate using AI. Then you can use cutout, you can automatic cutout here, and then you can add some text. You can add some decorations like shapes or emojis, overlays, and also background. Now here, if we go back, just click on the X icon at the top left. And then here, for example, you want it to adjust the quality, just basically go to single image settings. And here you can enable this adjust image quality and enable also the image sharpening. Once done, just click on the apply button. Now, once you've done customizing your image, as you can see, you can now go to another options, which is the settings. So once you click on the gallery, as you can see, we have some options at the top. You can basically add some of the animations when they basically click on this image. And you can also go here on settings. So here you can see, or you will find a bunch of settings to customize your gallery. So here on main, in layout, settings, design, advanced, and support. So for example, you want to change the layout to masonry, grid, thumbnails, or like slider. If you want like this slide arrow, or if you want to make this to strip, column, bricks. As you can see, mix if you want like this one here, or magic. So depending on your preference. So here I'm going to customize the layout. So you can basically select the column, the masonry, or slideshow. So basically this one here, and then you can go to the settings and change the gallery settings, or you can just go to design and just change the overlay and icons. And you can also change the buttons here, the navigation arrows, for example this one, then change the arrow background, and then you can just resize it. So just drag on that to resize the arrow size, and then the arrow color. So just select the color picker here, and then for example I'm going to select this one. And then the arrow position, you can basically select if it's on gallery or outside the gallery, and then the center arrows to the image or the text. So basically you can customize. Then you can go to advanced, so you can enable on hover. You can go to gallery direction, show play button, image quality, or image sharpening. So these are all the settings here. So once done, as you can see, we have the image, and then you can now publish and see the result. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.